Let's go, everyone! Today, super excited to be unboxing this new Cetaphil? Actually, I think it's Cetaphil. Uh, Cetaphil Daily Oil-Free Facial Moisturizer with sunscreen, broad spectrum SPF 35. Let's check it out. This is what the packaging looks like nowadays. I just got this in last night. Drug facts, uses. Cool, directions, all that good stuff. Won't clog pores, all that good stuff. Here's the expiration date. Yep, does seem new. All right, let's check it out. Nothing else? Nope. Here's the back. Here's the front. It's looking good. Good color scheme. Matches the packaging, the expiration date. Alright, let's twist it. Try it out. Alright, so it's definitely new. Definitely new. Definitely not empty, I feel it. Okay, takes a good amount of pumps to fill it up. Let's check it out. I feel it. I feel it. Dude, something defective with this one? Interesting. Yo, what's up? We're not giving up. Never give up in life. Keep pumping. You will get rewarded. I feel it. Shout out to those of you still watching this video. Been on me the entire journey of this unboxing video. Appreciate you all. Ooh, pretty crazy. Is something wrong with this? I've had many of these before. It's never taken this long. This bottle's vertical, you know, it's nothing with. Yeah, it is in the open position. That's why it's able to pump. For those of you still watching, I will drop a link in the video description below on where I got this from. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. If it takes you guys this long to pump your Cetaphil Daily Oil-Free Facial Moisturizer. I think this is starting to be a defective one, guys. I feel like I have a defective pump because there is stuff inside, I'm sure. Check it out, check it out. 4-minute video, yep. Yeah, definitely. Dude, what? This is all pumped up? Yeah, it's messed up. Something's weird with this pump or something, guys. Look how little it's pumped up. Interesting. Here, let me put it back on. Approaching 5-minute video. We'll stop pumping at 5 minutes and then I'll use a pump from my previous one that's running out. So yeah, I think this one's done though. No luck with this one. Defective Cetaphil. What's up with that? Alright everyone, I think probably end the video. It's 5 minutes. Hope you're all doing well. Let me know what you think of this in the comment section. And let me know if you guys have ever had this problem with your moisturizer products. Alright, hope you're all doing well. Take care. Talk to you next time. I'll still be pumping if you're wondering. Later. Oh.